Athena, and welcome to the Life Learning Institute. Have you ever wondered why the foundation of a relationship, built on trust, can crumble so easily? Infidelity, a betrayal of trust, is more common than we might think. Studies reveal that up to 40% of relationships experience infidelity at some point. This statistic is not meant to instill fear, but rather to shed light on a pervasive issue that often remains shrouded in secrecy and shame. The emotional toll of infidelity is significant, leaving partners feeling heartbroken, betrayed, and questioning their own worth. When trust is broken, the very core of a relationship is shaken. It can feel like the ground beneath your feet has given way, leaving you feeling lost and unsure of how to move forward. The pain of infidelity runs deep, impacting not only the betrayed partner, but also the person who strayed and the relationship as a whole. It is essential to approach this sensitive topic with empathy, understanding that the reasons behind infidelity can be often complex and multifaceted. Infidelity takes many forms, from physical intimacy outside the relationship to emotional connections that blur the lines of fidelity. What constitutes cheating varies from couple to couple, shaped by individual values, beliefs, and agreements. However, the common thread that binds all forms of infidelity is the presence of secrecy and deception. Lies, whether big or small, erode the foundation of trust in a relationship. They create a distance between partners, fostering an environment of suspicion and doubt. The reasons why partners lie are diverse and often interconnected, stemming from a combination of personal vulnerabilities, relationship dynamics, and societal influences. Understanding these underlying motivations is crucial in navigating the aftermath of betrayal and rebuilding trust. Why do people cheat? This question has puzzled philosophers, therapists, and individuals for centuries. There is no single answer, as the motivations behind infidelity are as varied as the individuals involved. However, certain psychological theories offer valuable insights into the human psyche and the complexities of intimate relationships. One perspective suggests that infidelity can be a symptom of unmet needs within the relationship. When partners feel emotionally disconnected, unappreciated, or sexually unfulfilled, they may seek fulfillment elsewhere. This is not to excuse infidelity, but rather to understand that it can be a cry for help, a desperate attempt to address underlying issues that have been ignored or dismissed. The complexity of attachment. Attachment theory, developed by psychologist John Bowlby, provides another lens through which to understand infidelity. Our early childhood experiences shape our attachment styles, influencing how we relate to others in intimate relationships. Individuals with secure attachment styles generally feel safe and secure in their relationships, while those with insecure attachment styles may struggle with trust, intimacy, and emotional regulation. For instance, someone with an anxious attachment style might be prone to infidelity due to a deep-seated fear of abandonment. They may seek reassurance and validation outside the relationship, driven by a need to feel loved and secure. On the other hand, individuals with an avoidant attachment style might distance themselves emotionally from their partners, making them more susceptible to infidelity as a way of avoiding intimacy and commitment. The hunger for validation. The desire for validation is a fundamental human need. We all crave to feel loved, appreciated, and desired. While a healthy relationship provides a secure base from which to receive validation, external sources can sometimes become tempting, especially when self-esteem is low or personal insecurities run deep. Social media, with its curated images of perfection and instant gratification, can exacerbate these feelings of inadequacy, leading some individuals down a slippery slope towards infidelity. The thrill of the unknown, the excitement of a secret affair, can be intoxicating. It can provide a temporary escape from the mundane realities of everyday life and offer a renewed sense of self-worth. However, this pursuit of external validation is often short-lived, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. True fulfillment and lasting happiness are found not in fleeting moments of pleasure, but in the depths of authentic connection and intimacy. Communication breakdown, the silent killer of intimacy. At the heart of many instances of infidelity lies a breakdown in communication, when partners struggle to express their needs, fears, and desires openly and honestly. Resentment can build, creating fertile ground for secrets and betrayals to take root. A lack of emotional intimacy, where partners feel seen, heard, and understood, can create a void that some may attempt to fill elsewhere. It is essential to cultivate a safe and non-judgmental space within the relationship where both partners feel comfortable sharing their vulnerabilities and desires. This requires active listening, empathy, and a willingness to understand perspectives different from our own. When communication flows freely, it strengthens the bond between partners, making it less likely for them to seek fulfillment outside the relationship. Rebuilding trust. A path forward. Infidelity shatters trust, leaving partners lost and uncertain. Healing is possible, though not easy. Acknowledge the pain and communicate openly. Professional guidance can be invaluable. Healing takes time, patience, and commitment. Thank you for watching. If this video sheds some light on the topic for you, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Life Learning Institute for more insights on relationships and personal growth. Until next time, take care of yourself and your emotional well-being.